Alright, we're taking the video. Nora's first trip into the snow, because we missed the last snowstorm and we were in Tennessee.
Come on, come to Daddy. Come to Daddy.
She doesn't want to move. Come on, sweetie.
Come on, Nora.
It took us forever to get her into her little snowsuit and her boots, and now she won't move.
Oh, sweetie pie, look.
Hi!
Nora, boopa, boopa.
What's Daddy doing?
Come to Daddy. Come to Daddy. Come. Come to Daddy, sweetie. You can make it.
Oh, yeah?
You can make it, sweetie.
Sweetie, can you come to Mommy? Come to Mommy. Come on. Here we go. Yeah, come on. Take a few more steps. Come on. Oh, I hear Freddie in the house. Do you hear him?
Uh-huh.
All right. That's